channel. Today I am at S Cafe. It's in central London, where all the bikers get together to have their breakfast or for a meal, and they start their journey out from here. Let me show you around. It's a beautiful place. Cup of tea, please. How much is it? Let's go. My tea is ready. I should have bought my own sticker to put here. Look, there are massive stickers are here around everywhere. Oh, I didn't bring my own sticker. Never mind, next time. Next time, next time. Place you need to come over with your bike. I haven't brought my bike today, but maybe next time. So it's time for me to leave now, so peace. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this clip today as much as I have enjoyed being here. And yeah, you must come this place with your bikes. This is a place where they have breakfast, lunch, or any events you want to attend. It's time for me to pack up. I have to go to catch up on the work. So I hope to see you in my next video. Till next time, you take good care of yourself. Bye bye.